So the first example we have is 2 over 5 plus 7 over 10. So the first thing we should do is multiply 5 by a number that give us 10. 5 multiplied by 2 give us 10. So we need to multiply 5 by 2 and 2 by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. We should keep the second number the same because now we have the same denominator, it is 10. So 4 over 10 plus 7 over 10. 4 plus 7 is 11. We keep the denominator the same, 10. So the answer is 11 over 10. Now we will do the second example. 3 over 5 plus 1 over 4. So we see for the first fraction the denominator for it is bigger than the denominator for the second fraction. So we need to take the multiples of 5 and the multiples of 4. The multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20. We can stop here. Then the multiples of 4. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. We can stop here because we see the most common multiple is it is 20. So we take the first fraction 5, we need to multiply it by 4 because it gives us 20, and we need to multiply 3 by 4. And for the second fraction we need to multiply 4 by 5 because it gives us 20, and 1 multiplied by 5. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, and 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. Then 1 multiplied by 5, it is 5, and 4 multiplied by 5, it is 20. We can now add them because we have the same denominator. So 12 plus 5 is 17, and we keep the denominator the same, 20. So the answer is 17 over 20. Now we will do subtract. 2 over 3 minus 3 over 6. So we need to multiply 3 by a number that give us 6. 3 multiplied by 2 give us 6. So we need to multiply 3 by 2 and 2 by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Now we need to keep the second fraction the same because we have the same denominator. It is 6. So 4 over 6 minus 3 over 6. 4 minus 3 is 1, and we need to keep the denominator the same. It is 6. So the answer is 1 over 6. Now we will do the second example. 5 over 8 minus 1 over 2. We see that the denominator for the first fraction is bigger than the second fraction. So we need to take the multiples of 8 and the multiples of 2. The multiples of 8 are 8, 16, and 24. We can stop here. The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8. We can stop here because we see the most common multiple, it is 8. So for the first fraction we don't need to change it because we have the denominator for 8. We write here 5 over 8. For the second fraction we need to change it because we don't have the denominator 8. So you multiply 2 by 4 because it gives us 8, and 1 multiplied by 4. 5 over 8 minus 1 multiplied by 4 is 4, and 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 5 minus 4 is 1, and we keep the denominator the same, it is 8. So the answer is 1 over 8. It is easy peasy, right?